Hello friends, this is Anil Kumar Pradhan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel AKP Social Science. As most of you know that in quarterly, half-yearly, annual exam or summative assessment 1 and 2 exam of different state boards, CBSE board, ICSE boards and other boards, there will be map pointing question on social studies question paper. Name of different places, countries, cities may be asked to locate in the given outline map or political map of the world. So today in this video you will learn how to locate the places on a given outline map. So there three videos are prepared on most important countries of the world. They are divided into part 1, 2 and 3. In this part 1 video, you will come to know how to locate these countries on the given outline map. Let's start. So this is a political map of the world. This is called outline map of the world. These are the countries we will learn to locate in this video. So here country names and continent names are given. You can refer it if you want. Outline map of the world. Before locating any place or country on the world map, it will be better to know number of continents and oceans along with some seas. We know very well there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Out of 7 continents, Asia is the largest continent, followed by Africa. So Africa is the second largest continent. North America is the third largest continent. South America is the fourth largest continent. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. Europe is the sixth largest continent. And Australia is the smallest continent of the world. Now we came to know 7 continents of the world. Now we see 5 oceans of the world. Among oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, which can be seen on the both side of the map, both the left and right side of the map. That is Pacific Ocean. Followed by Atlantic Ocean, the ocean which separates North America, South America from Europe and Africa. That is Atlantic Ocean. Third is Indian Ocean, which is more easier to locate because this ocean lies just below the India. Fourth one is Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. And the fifth and the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean or Northern Ocean. Now we will discuss some the same all in a political map. Here you see this is Asia. This is Asia continent, followed by Africa continent. This is North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay, so these are the 7 continents. And now we see 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean on both sides of the world map, followed by Atlantic Ocean, which separates North and South America from Europe and Africa. Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean or Northern Ocean. These are the 5 oceans of the world. It will be more easier to locate some countries if you know certain seas. There is sea called Mediterranean Sea. The sea lies just middle of the world. That's why it is known as Mediterranean Sea. So this is the area of Mediterranean Sea. Just northeast of Mediterranean Sea, you will find Black Sea, and east of Black Sea, you will find one more is Caspian Sea or Caspian Lake. Between South Arab and Africa, you will find Red Sea, and between Finland, above the Poland, Germany, you will find the Baltic Sea. Between England and Norway, you will find North Sea, and south of North America and north of South America, in between area, we will find the Caribbean Sea. Now we discuss these countries one by one. In political map first, so we go from easy to difficulty. First one is our country motherland, India. This is India, and above it we have a neighbor of China. Next, we see the largest country of the world, Russia, on the top of Asian continent. A country well known for land of sunrise, that is Japan. It lies in the east of Asia. A well technological developed country. Between China and Japan, we find a country is called Korea earlier. Now it is divided into 2 parts: northern part North Korea and southern part South Korea. In Indian Ocean, we find group of islands that is called Indonesia. This is Indonesia. Next we see in the tip of Africa continent, in southern tip of Africa continent, the country name is South Africa. Just western part of Asia and beginning of Africa, we find Egypt, where Mesopotamian civilization existed. One of the less developed country, Nigeria, on the western part of Africa. Next, we mark now most important country, England. It is also called the United Kingdom. Here 4 states are combined together: Ireland, Scotland, Wales, and England are together called UK or United Kingdom. It is also known as England or Britain. In the western part of Europe, a small country is Portugal. Vasco da Gama, a sailor who sailed from this Portugal to India via Cape of Good Hope of South Africa and reached western part of India, that is Calicut, in 1498. This is Portugal. France, country of Napoleon, one of the important countries in Europe. Just north of it you find Germany, and below the Baltic Sea we find Poland. A country engulfs into the sea, that is Italy, country of Mussolini. We know a country of Alexander the Great, that is Greece, a small island, southern part of Europe. In western part of Asia, we find a country named Turkey. Next, we go to see the most important and powerful country of the world, that is USA or United States of America. USA. North of USA we find Canada. South of USA we find Mexico. West of Mexico in Pacific Ocean is group of islands called Hawaii Island or Hawaiian Island. In Caribbean Sea, some group of islands are there. One among is Cuba. Colombia connects North and South America. Colombia. Just north of it we find Venezuela. Largest country of South America and fifth largest country of the world is Brazil. So these countries we saw in political map, and one more we left here is Norway, one of the best country in Human Development Index HDI, Norway. So the same countries now we try to locate in outline map. See, this is Colombia. This area is Colombia. You know very well Colombia. Okay. First we see where is our motherland, India. This is India. First of all, India. Next, our neighbor, most populous country of the world is China. Third one is Japan. This is Japan. Country of sunrise. Fourth is Russia. So the largest country of the world is Russia. It lies in the north of Asian continent. Fifth, we see Indonesia, a group of islands in Indian Ocean are called Indonesia. Sixth, South Korea. We see this part is called South Korea. Southern part of Korea is South Korea. Seventh, most powerful country of the world, that is USA, or we call it the United States of America. Eighth, Canada. Just north of USA we find this group of islands including mainland is Canada. 9. Just north of USA we find a country called Mexico. Mexico. 10th, Hawaii. So west of Mexico and in Pacific Ocean we find some islands called the Hawaii Island. 12th, 11th, group of island in Caribbean Sea is Cuba. Next, we see Venezuela. Just east part of Colombia is Venezuela. Fifth largest country of the world and largest country of South America is Brazil. Very powerful and famous country of the world is UK. Once upon a time, this UK ruled over 54 countries of the world. These countries are nowadays known as Commonwealth nations. This UK consists of 4 states: Ireland, Scotland, Wales and England, altogether known as the United Kingdom. Next, one of the powerful country of the Europe and country of Napoleon is France. Next we see country of Hitler, Germany. Hitler, Bismarck is Germany. And in World War II, Hitler attacked neighboring country Poland. That is also important country. In HDI, that means in Human Development Index, a country which lies in topmost position with the best living index, that is Norway. A country on which three sides we find water, and almost this country is entered inside the Mediterranean Sea, engulfed into the Mediterranean Sea, is Italy. Next, small island from where Alexander the Great invaded India, that is Greece. And in 1453, where Constantinople was occupied, and landmark between Europe and Asia was blocked. That country is Turkey, and one of the oldest civilization existed in Europe, existed in Africa, that is Mesopotamian civilization, that is in Egypt. One of the poor country of Africa is Nigeria, and the very easy to locate that country is the southern part of Africa is South Africa. So children, these are the countries. In this way you can locate in a given outline map of the world. Now we see whatever the things you learnt, we will try to recall one after the other. What this area is called? The north part of America is called Canada. Here, Canada. So, just south of Canada, you know very well, that is USA. Very good. In south of USA, this area is known as Mexico. We are recalling now Mexico. In a country which link between North and South America, this area is called Colombia. Just side of Colombia, we have a country called Venezuela. And in Caribbean Sea, we have an island called Cuba. Next, very important country of the world, the largest democratic country and our motherland is India. In Indian Ocean, we find some group of islands called archipelago, that is Indonesia. And easy to locate and remember, the largest country of the world is Russia. Earlier it was known as USSR. Just north of India, our neighboring country is China. You find China. Country of sunrise. Japan is known as the country of sunrise, and it lies in the eastern part of Asian continent. And between China and Japan, we have a country called South Korea. Korea means South Korea. Here, a country which is in better rank in HDI or Human Development Index is Norway. See here, a country which was very powerful once upon a time and ruled many countries of the world is UK or United Kingdom. In Africa, a country where oldest civilizations we can find that is Egypt, where Mesopotamian civilization now exists. Egypt. Next, fifth largest country of the world and largest country of this South America is Brazil. This is Brazil. Very easy to remember. South part of Africa is South Africa. Yes, Africa. South Africa. And here, you see here, part of the country engulfs into the Mediterranean Sea, that is Italy. Country of Mussolini is Nigeria. So whatever the things we learned, we recall it here and we practice it. Dear students, if you practice more and more time, definitely almost all the places you can locate in the world map. So please kindly take an outline map and see this video. Try to locate all the places. If you find any difficult, write in my comment box. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share this video among your friends. If you have any queries, write in the comment box. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon, by which you can receive notification of my new videos in right time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.